Good afternoon, everybody. This is Tyler Weber, and I will be explaining the technical documents of my feature for our Project and Portfolio 1 feature. The first of the major portions in my feature that had changed is I was working on creating the Metroid ball aspect as a feature for StackoBot Kit. For this, I had to figure out how to take the StackoBot or BP bot and transform him into a ball. Um, the first portion that we worked on was getting the power up orb, the simple pickup orbs, to be his power up. To do so, we start with our on component. Using the other actor, we cast it to our pawn, and we created a function. And within this function here, character pickup, we had our custom event that we had set for the on pickup, which would delegate that when this item is picked up, we will then play the sound, which is our morph sound, destroy the actor being the orb, the pickup power up orb, casting to our BP bot from our main event, would then go to the return node, going to call on Met Ball, which the Met Ball was what we used as our skeleton mesh switchover. So if I click on this, it'll take us back to the transform ball. This custom event was set up so that way on the call to this event would cause a transition of the meshes. So we would set visibility of the bot to false, so he would disappear, and set the visibility of the morph ball to true, making it the visible mesh at that time. We also would change our capsule height so that the morph ball would be able to fit through our pipes, but the bot would not. So each one would have a different capsule height. So this is the half height for our capsule during morph phase. Then if we return to our ball, it would then transfer over to a delay, 5 seconds, giving the player time to make it through the event or through the tunnel before changing into our returning transition, which we did. The morph ball would be set to false, meaning that that one would be invisible now. We'd play the morph sound during that transition, which would then set the bot mesh back as the visible mesh, skeletal mesh on our character or on our pawn. And the capsule size would then be returned to its normal size and function. Those were two of the major portions that took the longest time to figure out. There was one that did not get added, but was work in progress that I wanted to get in here, and I will continue to work on to get it in here, is the death feature or kill feature when going through the pipes. I struggled with the code for that one for the past 2 days, and I got it figured out to where I could kill the bot, but unfortunately it would kill the ball as well. It was contact with our character at any point, the character would die or take damage and die. But it's still a work in progress, and I intend to fully functionize it into our build of our game. Other than that, that is the main portion of the blueprinting that we had put into this. The rest went into our design, which you'll see in the next video. Thank you.